When your case goes to trial, will your medical experts who are going to be testifying in your case be able to sit in the courtroom and listen to testimony of other witnesses and other experts? You want to know the answer? Come join me on this walk as I share with you the answer to that question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney. The short answer in New York is no, they will not be allowed to do that. Now, you would think it would make sense for your own experts to sit in court and listen to the testimony of other witnesses, right? This way they can formulate testimony, they can formulate responses, they can formulate strategy while listening to other witnesses. But here's the dilemma with that. You see, as the plaintiff, as the person who is bringing the lawsuit, we have an obligation to show that we are slightly more likely right than wrong than what we are claiming is true. It is our obligation to put on whatever proof and evidence is necessary first before the defense actually has an opportunity to put on their witnesses. So would it be helpful for our expert to sit in and listen to your testimony? In all likelihood, no. Why? Because our expert already knows what you have testified to in your pretrial deposition. He's already read your transcript. So there's no need for him to sit in court and listen to the same questions and answers. Would there ever be an instance where our expert could sit in and listen to the defense experts? The answer again is no. Why? Because the defense experts are going to go in order, which means we put on all of our witnesses first. After we have put on all of our testimony and all of our evidence, now the defense will call whatever doctors, whatever experts, whatever witnesses they feel are necessary. And unless we plan on bringing in our experts again to rebut certain arguments made by the defense, there would be no reason, no need for our medical experts to sit in the courtroom and listen to your testimony. There is an alternative, however. Because our experts are not permitted to be in court and to listen to other testimony, we will go ahead and purchase the actual trial transcript for various days of testimony. And then we will provide that to our experts to read and review. It's critically important to do that. Likewise, the defense will do the same. Because their experts are not going to be able to come into court and sit and listen to our experts who testify, they will go ahead and purchase the trial transcripts and then get it over to them immediately so now they can read it. And one of the questions we ask the experts anytime they get up to testify, hey, Dr. Jones, did you have an opportunity to read the trial testimony of Mr. Oginski's expert? Why, yes, I did. And did you see here on page 292, he talked about this particular theory? Did you have a chance to see that? Yes, I did. Do you agree with that theory? No, I don't. Please tell the members of the jury and the court why you disagree with that testimony. So now they can use the trial testimony in the transcript form to have their own expert explain whether he agrees or disagrees, and now they can continue asking questions. So why do I share this information with you? Nobody talks about the mechanics of how trials actually work. Everybody knows from watching TV or seeing movies about courtroom dramas, oh, there's an attorney who gets up and he questions a witness, then there's cross-examination, and you see fireworks because there's cross-examination and a witness has lied, and you know what the judge does. Nobody talks about what goes on in real courtroom dramas, where now if you are a litigant, someone bringing the lawsuit, now you have all these questions, and now hopefully this video will open your eyes to what goes on. You know, I realize you're likely watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if your matter did happen in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but haven't done so yet because you still have questions that need to be answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. You know, I answer questions like yours every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.